Do you have a bug problem? Excuse me, a bugs problem? A bugs problem?
These pesky bugs! Can you DIY it, Dad?
Yes, you know I can, with Pestie. The 10-minute, pro-grade, kid and pet-friendly DIY pest control solution with a bug-free guarantee. That is 1/4 the cost of normal pest control companies. Stick around to see why I am switching to Pestie. Subscribe. Well, hello, random YouTube people. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my backyard. It's a nice spring day, but as you can see, we have some unwanted visitors. After a long winter, it really would be nice to sit down and enjoy the warmth. But look at all of these bugs. They are everywhere. It sure would be nice to spend some time in our inflatable hot tub too, but you can see these bugs are invading our relaxation spaces. And not only that, when you try to get rid of them, they smear and they leave stains.
These pesky bugs.
The sad part about all of this is I had my traditional pest control company come out a few weeks ago, and you can see I'm still infested with all of these bugs. Not only that, they are increasing their prices by another 20%. That's when I knew I needed something else. I thought, what kind of DIY guy would I be if I didn't DIY my own pest control? That's when I found Pestie. Pestie is a pro-grade pest control product the same as the pros use, but at 1/4 of the cost. And it's delivered right to your door. Say hello to the savings and goodbye to the bugs. When you head over to pestie.com and enter in your zip code, you will see that Pestie products are optimized for your exact location's bugs and climate. You'll always get the most effective products delivered right at the perfect time. Plus, the specific chemicals are rotated so bugs don't build up tolerances, which makes Pestie even more effective over time. If you have a larger home and property, you can also get the XL package, which will cover more square footage. Now, let's talk about what to expect when you receive your Pestie products. I really like how Pestie includes a sticker on the box that shows when you should apply your product for the best optimized results for your location and climate. Inside the shipment box, you'll find your Pestie Home Barrier Pest Control Kit. This is a really nice designed box, just indicating what kind of bugs that this will take care of. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what the product itself looks like. Inside your pest control kit, you're going to find the application sprayer, a very nicely designed instruction brochure. The brochure has these awesome step-by-step instructions that really help you understand how to apply the product correctly and how easy it is. Of course, the pest control kit will come with your Pestie application bag. There's a nice little fill to here line indicator to tell you how far to fill the bag full of water. And of course, no pest control kit would be complete without the actual product. This bag contains the Pestie Home Barrier pesticide. And lastly are the application gloves, which Pestie recommends using throughout the entire application process. All right, let's do this. Let me show you just how easy it is to apply your Pestie pest control. Pestie recommends you wear a shirt with long sleeves and closed-toed shoes. And before we do anything else as recommended, let's put on these disposable application gloves. On to step 1, we are going to fill the bag with water and add the Pestie pest control solution. Just opening up my outdoor spigot, and I'm going to fill the Pestie application bag up with water up to the fill line. Next, opening up the bag that contains the Pestie pest control solution, and we are going to pour that into the application bag. Step 2 indicates to fill the empty pesticide bottle with water and pour it back into the application bag 3 times so you can use all of the product. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. In step 3, we're going to take the tube end of the application sprayer and insert it into the product application bag, and we're going to screw the cap down tight. Here's a look at the reusable application sprayer. You can see there's an easy on-off switch, and there's a little battery indicator to indicate battery levels. These can also be recharged for later use. Continuing on in step 3 is to shake the bag well to mix the formula and water together. In step 4, we begin to use the product. Holding the sprayer about 2 feet away, lightly spray the foundation of your home in a 4-foot band, 2 feet up the side of the home and 2 feet away from the home on the ground. On the application sprayer, you can twist the nozzle at the top to adjust the throw of the spray. You can do it a wide spray, or you can adjust it so it throws it very thin, and this can be used to get to hard to reach places if you are reaching down into a window well, for example. But just pointing that out for you. For the most part, I'm going to use the regular wide spray to do the 4-foot band around the house. This is one of the things I really like about the DIY solution through Pestie. You can do things that regular pest control companies don't do when they come out to spray. For example, I'm moving the sign to spray behind there because I know that's a place that spiders get to a lot. Another area of high activity is this stack of bricks left over by the builder. I know where the pests are in my home, so with the DIY pest control solution, I can focus on the areas that I see a lot of activity. I can tell you one thing, a regular pest control company is not going to rearrange your furniture to spray behind it. I know this is an area of high activity, so I want to focus on it. The Pro-Grade DIY solution from Pestie allows me to do just that. Step 5 reminds us to pace ourselves and be consistent with the spray amount around the house. We don't want to run out before we complete. Step 6 focuses on spraying around door frames, windows, garage doors, and other things like window wells and other openings. Step 7 is optional in that you can spray in porches, decks, inside your garages, or wherever else you see bugs. Step 8 is to spray the inside of your home. If you are seeing a lot of bugs inside, you can treat indoors on baseboards, under large appliances, or wherever else you've seen bugs. Step 9 reminds us that if we have any leftover mixture, we should spray around the home again. Once it's been mixed up, it cannot be stored overnight, so get rid of it all. Step 10 instructs us to wait about an hour for the product to fully dry before allowing people, kids, or animals to come in contact with treated areas. Step 11 tells us to keep the application sprayer. It is rechargeable and reusable. Store your rechargeable application sprayer somewhere for next time. Your next treatment will come with a new product applications bag and disposable gloves. So, dispose of the application bag and the gloves. Step 12 highlights having a subscription service. A subscription service would mean that the most effective Pestie products optimized for your exact location's bugs and climate will always get to your door delivered right at the perfect time. Plus, subscriptions come at a discounted rate. Pestie really does make it very easy to DIY your own pest control. At this point, you may be wondering, just how effective is Pestie? Well, let's go check. I applied my Pestie pest control solution around noon. I came back around 5 o'clock and look at these results. Eliminated. 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 The results are in, and it's Pestie by a landslide. Bugs are KO. Not only is Pestie effective, they don't use any sketchy chemicals like some of the other pest control products. With Pestie, you can minimize the risk to pollinators while still enjoying a bug-free home. With Pestie, you can reduce the negative impact of pesticides on the environment. Pestie also has a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee, so they'll do whatever it takes to get rid of your bugs and make you happy. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
No, Dad, we have Pestie.
You're right. The itsy bitsy spider went up the neighbor's water spout.
Yay!
I know you're going to be just as happy with Pestie as I am. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, share with your friends and family and pretty much everyone you've ever met. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
No, Dad, we have Pestie.
You're right. The itsy bitsy spider went up the neighbor's water spout.
Yay! We did it! Now let's go back inside.
Okay.